Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the panel closely because the how depends on what you find: chips, clear coat cracks, or bare metal. Sand around each flaw with 320 grit for edges and remove rust down to clean metal. This prevents peeling later. Once done, clean with wax and grease remover and use a tack cloth to lift tiny dust particles. Make sure to mask surrounding panels and glass precisely so overspray stays off adjacent surfaces. This saves time and avoids rework. You mix and apply body filler only to low spots because overfilling wastes time and creates more sanding. After curing, shape with coarse paper, then refine with finer grits so transitions disappear. This is where the blend happens. Once surface is uniform, wipe clean and apply primer, 2 to 3 thin coats, not one thick one, to avoid runs. Make sure to scuff the primer with 400-600 grit before paint so the new paint adheres consistently and looks factory smooth. You apply base coat using steady, overlapping passes to build uniform color. Blending into the original paint hides the repair line. Once base is matte dry, lay down clear coat in controlled, wet passes to prevent orange peel. Make sure environmental conditions match label specs. After full cure, wet sand any imperfections carefully, then compound and polish to restore gloss. If you see orange peel or fish eyes, stop, clean the area, check for contaminants, and reapply clear after proper surface prep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.